Hello and welcome to How Much Should I Be Afraid at the Moment. خلينا نطلع شوي على الهيستوري لنعرف قديش معقول نكون هلا لازم نخاف او لازم to panic او شو لازم نعمل. في نقط كتير مهمة on throughout history صاروا معنا وعم يرجعوا يصيروا. شو حلو هذا الترند اللي بيطلع بيرجع بيعمل ريتست بيرجع بيطلع بيرجع بيعمل ريتست والgains are always very good if we're on the good side of the trend. إذا بنرجع ل 2013 هدول الجرين لاينز I have marked هن كل مرة دي اكس واي عمل death cross. So I've put this on the Bitcoin chart. We put this هون كمان I shared this chart like a month and a half ago or a month ago. So لنشوف how is Bitcoin reacting كل مرة بيصير عنا death cross on the DXY. من بعدها 1 2 3 weeks بنلاقي في عنا parabolic run to the upside. بنعمل هاي مثلا هون عنا all time high كان، وبعدين فتنا ببير ماركت بال 2013 عنا trending line اللي هو resistance مشي معنا بكل البير ماركت لل 2015 2 years. انا بيهمني نقطة واحدة، شوف هون شو صار لما once Bitcoin broke out من هذا الترند لاين اللي هي retested هون كذا مرة هون كذا مرة. على فكرة this is the weekly. So once we broke out رحنا 1 week 2 3 sideways action and then we came all the way down, retested, wicked under it but closed above this trend line. إذا بننتبه. By the way, this wick is nothing minor. This is 24 37% down. This is a 37% to the downside wick, but سكرنا الويك above the trend line. So اللي بدي شوف شو عاد صار بعدين معي هون. دي اكس واي death cross كمان we gained 219%. we always tend to come back, retest all time high, trend line, retest once, break out 1 week, retest this trend line and then 183%. Boom. Local high, trend line from 2019 to 2020. We broke here in 2020, went up, traded alongside this trend line, confirmed on a multi-week, and then 650%. All-time high جديد, trend line over 2021 all the way down. We عندنا كان two trend lines. Technically the outer one is the one that we're talking about here. Retested here, we failed, we went all the way down. We broke it right after the DXY death cross. Right after DXY death cross. So اللي صار انه we did break it up. Okay, this is 1 week, came back down, and now we retested this here and we opened a new week. If we want to go back to history, it's very normal to go and retest this trend line to confirm the breakout. وهذا الشيء نفس الشيء اللي عم بيصير مثل ما صار معنا هون، مثل ما صار هون، ومثل ما صار هون. We always tend to retest ومثل ما شفنا this is a 37% to the downside, still closed above, and then we did the massive runs to the upside. So for now ما في شيء بيدعي لا nothing has changed so far for me at least. If we break this we might، لأنه أنا الإكسبكتنسي تبعي كان إنه to break this trend line لحد هون. This is the time we broke it earlier, which is good. We can still go down, retest this trend line الأبيض اللي هون اللي تحت، اللي هو هذا الشيء كتير مهم. هذا اللاين هدينا بال 2017، we found support بال 2019. even COVID wick did hold, and then it was always a very great support. Even FTX crash didn't break this support. So I have multi supports. I have this trend line supporting us, and then if broke we have this lower trend line supporting us. So whenever we break this, whenever we confirm, this is the important line that I'm looking at, the 200 week moving average. If we broke this one, that's why it was the most important line. On a COVID crash we broke it to the upside, parabolic runs to the upside. it supported us parabolic runs to the upside. So المشكلة هون انه we're trading below it. That's why it was a crucial point to break it. But so far we're still on track. So that's the update. If you're worried, if you're in fear, there's no need, absolutely no need to be in fear.